In this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall Claude desktop app on Windows. So let's get started. First thing, if you have the app opened, make sure that you are closing it. For that, click on this show hidden icons and right click on the Claude icon and click on quit. That's it, it has been closed. Now just go to search and type apps. We'll be having this apps and features. Click on this and here we'll be having search this list. Click here and type Claude. We'll be having this Claude from Anthropic. Click that and just select uninstall. Click uninstall. That's it, it is done. Now as you can see, we are not having Claude anymore. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.